Hey everybody, it's Mr. B, just here to give you a quick rhythm review lesson. The first note we're going to review is the quarter note. Remember, the quarter note has a stem and a filled in note head, and it is 1 beat long. Okay, quarter note, when we clap it, we go like this: ta. Okay, ta. All right. The next one is what's called the eighth note. The eighth note by itself looks like a quarter note, but with a flag up top. When it's paired together with another eighth note, it has this little connecting bar right here. One eighth note by itself is half a beat. Two eighth notes equal 1 beat. When we have two eighth notes together, we go like this: T T. One eighth note by itself is just T, right? Okay, the next one is the 16th note. Remember, the 16th note looks like the 8th note, but it's got an extra flag added. You got to look for that extra flag to make sure it's a 16th note, okay? 16th notes equal 1/4 of a beat. That means 4 16th notes equals 1 beat, okay? When we clap 16th notes, we can go tika tika or watermelon if you want to. I know a lot of you like to do that. Now let's get to the bigger notes, okay? Next note is the half note. Half note looks like this. It looks like a quarter note, but the big difference is the note head is not filled in. A half note is 2 beats low. When we clap a half note, we go like this: da, and we gotta slide it down to show it has 2 beats. The next one is a whole note. It has 4 beats. It's one of the longest notes. Whole note just looks like a big empty circle. When we clap whole notes, we go da, but we make sure we hold it for 4 beats. So da, and make sure you get all 4 beats in there. Okay. Next one is a little bit more complicated, and we touched on this a little bit. So it's the dotted half note. Dotted half note has 3 beats. Okay. You get a dotted half note by having a half note combined with a quarter note to make, and that's 2 plus 1, and that equals 3. So dotted half note. Okay. And we clap a dotted half note by going like this: da. It's 3 beats, okay? And here's the next one. It's the dotted quarter note. Dotted quarter note has 1.5 beats. It's a quarter note combined with 1/8 note to make it a dotted quarter note. So dotted quarter note. For this, we just go ta. Okay, we don't really hold it for any more longer. We just go ta, and then it's usually paired with a single 8th note, so we would get a rhythm like this: ta ti. Okay. Now for all the rest, and I'll show it up. So this one's a quarter rest. It's worth 1 beat. Half rests are worth 2 beats. Whole rests, which looks like the hats turned upside down, is 4 beats. This one, you'll notice it has 1 flag. So that's the 8th rest. It's worth half a beat. And this is the 16th rest. It has 2 flags, so it's worth 1/4 of a beat. Okay? So remember, rests mean silence. The time still keeps going, but they mean silence. So we usually do this when we have a rest. Okay? But we'll work on that later. All right, guys. Hope you're having a good day. I'll see you later.